budgets will reveal two things that I noticed. One, discipline. Oh my God. Because it's one thing to have a budget, it's another thing to actually stick to the budget. So the budget will tell on you if you're quite indisciplined. Secondly, it will reveal whether you have money leaks, if you're spending too much on certain categories. For example, long time ago, my office was near a Starbucks. I'm sure most of you know Starbucks. It sells the fancy coffee, $4. And I had a habit every morning. I would pass by, get my coffee, $4. Every evening, pass by, get my coffee, $4. By the end of the week, it adds up. By the end of the month, it really adds up. By the end of the year, you're scratching your head and wondering, I can't believe I drank that kind of coffee. You see, those are money leaks. It seems so small, so little, so insignificant, but when you add it up, it's really significant. So your budget will show you that where you're having money leaks. So you tighten those up, the loose ends. Then it will show you if you just have little income, because sometimes you can try to squeeze everything in your income you have and things just don't work. However fancy the budget is, the money and income is just too little. And that's a telltale sign to go out and increase your income. Either you get another job or, you increase your rates if you're a business owner, but you have to find a way. But it will tell you who you are and what you're trying to do.